Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for the headphones Skullcandy Grind with using your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store. Now go to the search, click on the search line at the top and write Skullcandy. Then search. And you should install the second one application, Skull IQ. So click on it. Now open it. Continue. Slide it. Okay. Hello. Continue. Hello. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.